So yun guys, after eating, meron din silang free ice cream. Ayan, Anli. Ice cream all you want. Wow! 2, 3, go! Alright guys, so ito na yung in-order natin na dancing noodles for 112 pesos. Let's go!
Let's go!
So yun guys, andito kami ngayon sa Haidilao Restaurant sa may SM MOA. And this is a Chinese restaurant. So tara! Then guys, may mga toys din sila dito. And bags. Ayan, dami. So tara, check natin yung loob. So ito naman guys yung itsura sa loob. Ayan. So bali hot pot siya. Meron din playgrounds ang kids. Yeah.
Yeah!
Sky. Hi. So ito yung mga na-order namin. Hot pot, 392. Water, 0. Mushroom soup, 269. So apat pwede mo orderin. So kami na-order dalawa lang. Tapos plain lang na water, dalawa. Then seasoning buffet, 99 pesos each person. So 6. Tapos ito naman yung dancing noodle, 112 pesos lang siya. Mas ayun pa yung iba namin in-order, mga iluluto. Beef belly, golden cheese ball, pork belly, cheese fish, tiger skin chicken, quail egg, beef balls, sea urchin balls, fish tofu, cheese snack, bamboo shoot. Yan. Worth 3.5 lahat. Wala pang service charge. Haidilao Hot Pot Sauce Guide. So, ayun. So, ayun yung guide ng sausawan. So, bali ito yung ito yung seasoning buffet na binayaran natin na 99 pesos per person. Kayo na lang ang gagawa or mag-mix ng gusto nyo. And they also have dessert. Ayan, sweetened gulaman. And this is the side dish buffet. Yan, they have fruits, radish, seaweeds, and chips. So yan guys, dito they also have free rice. Ayan, all you can eat. Yeah. Yan, kuha na tayo.
Yeah!
And here's our soup, tomato and mushroom. Yan, beef and pork. Noodles, balls, ayun ang mga food natin. And chicken feet. Ayan yung mga food natin. Yeah!
Yeah!
Ito, plum juice. And we order quail eggs, bamboo shoot. Yan, dami. Let's eat! Yeah! So yun guys, pag may dala kayong baby, meron silang sariling food na binibigay for free. And free toy from Haidilao. Alright, let's eat. Luto na tayo. Bamboo.
Sarap nga ito.
Hoy! Go! Yes! Ayun! So guys, ganito pagluto ng beef dito sa Haidilao. Hey. Kain! Kita lahat? 1, 2, pag gano'n at pag gano'n. Look ulit. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yes!
Alright guys, so ito na yung in-order natin na dancing noodles for 112 pesos. Let's go!
Let's go!
Uy! Eh. Uy, uy! 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 Ay, thank you. Clap, clap. Ano, clap.
Clap, clap. Thank you po.
Clap mo si Kuya, Sky.
Clap your hands, clap. Yay!
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 Clap, clap. So yan guys, kita nyo naman, dami rin nakain dito. Kalimitan mga Chinese. Clap, clap. Alam mo, maalit ka sa akin. So yan guys, kumuha ulit tayo ng side dish. Only naman yan. And yan, kalimitan pala naman kumakain dito is mga Chinese. Ganito talaga yung type nila siguro na food. So yan guys, pag merong birthday yan, kinakantahan din nila. Chinese edition. Happy birthday kay Nana! Yeah!
Yeah!
Dance, dance! Yeah! So yun guys, after eating, meron din silang free ice cream. Ayan, Anli. Ice cream all you want. And madami ding flavors, kagaya nito. Milo. And milk. Yeah! And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Xie xie. Zaijian.